So how to make your first $400 or $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So as you can see over here, right, I'm getting 100 euros to 200 euros, as you can see over here, per day in affiliate commissions. Now, the most important thing is this: how I'm getting this traffic to my affiliate links, right? Because if you're newbie watching this video, you are probably thinking to yourself, okay, Tim, you are making this money, but how can I make this money, right? How can I make this money as a beginner? So I'm going to show exactly in this video, right? Because remember, there are lots of people, there are millions of people every single day. And if you go and watch my previous videos, when I travel around the world, you're gonna see the niches where people are spending money hand over fist every single day for the things that they don't need, but they actually want, right? So let me show exactly how this is done, right? Let me show the whole plan. Over here, right, on my screen, you can see, right, this is my strategy, right, with Google Ads, right? Why I choose Google Ads? The simple reason is because on Google, you can target buyers, right? You are looking for people who are looking for the solutions to their pains and problems in the exact moment, and who are looking for the products they want to buy. So for example, let's say on Google Ads with affiliate marketing, I choose ClickBank campaign and I choose 5 ad sets. 5 ad sets on Google Ads and 1 ad per ad set. So for example, I'm getting paid $50 to $200 US per sale. $50 per sale to $200 US per sale. Okay, so if I'm getting 100 sales per month, I'm getting $5,000 per month to $10,000 US per month in profit, right? With only $50 per sale. Now, if you're making $200 per sale, you need how many sales to make $1,000 per day? You need only 5 sales per day. 5 sales per day, and you are making $1,000 US per day. You can see over here why the basic math work really simple once you understand your audience, like who they are, what they're buying, right? Yeah, of course, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, email, or WhatsApp. You can find me anywhere on social media, right? But the most important thing is, how can you get more help? If you're serious, if you're watching this video, right, and if you really want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, right, every single day, then we have weekly Zoom calls, right? We connect on the Zoom, over Zoom. We do showcase and trainings. We do new proven affiliate hot offers, new affiliate marketing news. We have a free Facebook group where you can send us email and connect with us personally one-on-one with me, right? With him personally, and you also get live videos every single week. So that's a very important thing, right? If you wanna succeed with affiliate marketing, with email marketing, with Google Ads or Facebook ads, doesn't matter, or TikTok ads, the most important thing is have a proven offer that works, and someone is going to guide you through step by step, one-on-one along the way, so that you can really succeed and put your efforts into something that's going to help you and your family to have a better future. So if you're watching this video right now, what you can do is you can like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can share it with other people, and you can also reach me out on my social media accounts, but I will personally help you one-on-one to get the results with ClickBank affiliate marketing that you desire. Again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.